And Brady say, Mummy, Mummy, Mummy. Oh.
But you can't wear a tutu rock climbing.
Yes, I can. Safety first. Look. See? Doubles up as a parachute.
The young princess does have a point. According to royal protocol, a princess must always descend with elegance.
Molly, did you skip the part about eating with elegance?
Mwah. Good morning, my queen. Porridge.
Something special happening today, Stella?
No, nothing. Only Mikey coming over to study with me this evening. Stella's got a date. No, I do not. It's just a very casual, definitely not a date, just friend study buddy math session. Stella's got a date. It's not a date. It's just maths. Ooh, I know some maths. 1 + 1 equals...